Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can insert the shapes in your Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to this option. As you can see, here's the shape option. So we have to click on the shape. And now as you can see, different types of shapes are provided here. Like if you want the shapes, you can collect the shapes from here. And the arrows are provided here, and the callouts are here, and the equations are the here. So now you have to choose that what you want. For example, I'm going to choose a shape like this one. So I have choose this. And now I'm going to draw this. As you can see, the shape is drawn. Now if you want to change the color, you can also do that. You have to click on this, and now you have to choose the color, that which colors you want. For example, I want this color, and after that, and now you have to choose the border color, that which border color you want. For example, I'm going to choose this color. So let's click on this. As you can see, now the border color is added. In this way, you can create a shape and add the color and add the border color. As you can see, these all things are mentioned here. So in this way, you can create a shape. If you want to create a different shape, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to create an arrow here. So let's create an arrow here like this one. So as you can see, now it's edit. So if you want to rotate this, you can also do it. So I'm going to click on this. So in this way, you can create the shapes in your Google Slides. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create them. So see you guys in the next video.